need to begin the session and make the session very lively. Welcome, Mr. Prateek, to the session. We can't hear you, or is it me who can't hear you? If you all can hear him, please put a digital thumbs up.
Okay, can you hear me now? Am I audible?
Yes, it's perfect.
Okay, just.
No, not now.
Speak now.
Perfect.
Yeah, you can hear me now?
Yes, we can.
Super, super. Yeah. Hi, and thank you so much for this amazing introduction.
Thanks for being here with us. We have an amazing person, so amazing introduction banti hai.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ananya.
And it would be great if the audience here could switch on their videos. We would have a live, interactive, lively session through this. Or we'll keep it little informal. We would use English and Hindi to make the audience comfortable. और आज का टॉपिक है being alive. तो I think हमें तभी a live session feel होगा जब सबकी video on होगी. So I really encourage you all to switch on the videos. So Bhaiya, I think I must start the session by asking you, how are you feeling today?
So I am full on energy. I am full with a smile. And obviously the session says you being alive. So I think this is a part of me. And right now in this session, I am like that.
Awesome. Thank you. So Bhaiya, we have been actually discovering, खासकर youth को लगता है कि what is happiness, and happiness एक बहुत subjective term है. हर एक के लिए happiness बहुत different meaning रखती है. For you, what is happiness?
You are asking a very good question. Happiness is a subjective thing, but the source of happiness for every single human being is same. And that's what I want to say. Because if we see ourselves, some of us want to have a good career, then we can be happy. Some of us want to achieve something in our life, and sooner or later we are going to experience happiness. But for me, the definition of happiness has changed. You can be at peace of mind. You can be happy at every single second of your life. And how is it possible? If you know some trick how to find the source of happiness.
Exactly. I totally agree on that. So, and actually, I'll request the audience to please freely put their questions in the chat box. We would try to answer them all, or tabhi lively banega session. So even if you think that's the silliest question, please put it, because that silliest question can prove to be the wisest one. Anything about peace, positivity, happiness, feeling alive. If you had some problems, stress related thing you want to share, please feel free to do that, because this is the right time to do that. All right, moving ahead, Bhaiya, we can see your TD smile. Even hamare poster, maybe everybody was saying, wow, we have this happy person. Now we can see that happy person. So what is your story behind this happy personality, this lively personality?
So I would say, like many of the youths, even I myself have some aspiration for my career in terms of being socially active, the kind of work you are putting, and many other students like you at such a young age. So even I have the same definition of moving forward in life, taking a balance between my career, my personal, as well as the social life. So throughout this journey, the definition of happiness changed in such a way that I was always looking for happiness, maybe in situation, maybe in some person, or maybe if I could get that thing. Now that shifted from trying to achieve to get happiness to being happy. Now that's a kind of definition which no one has given me lecture for. Now that is something which I'm experiencing every single day, because we youth, we don't believe in lectures. The last thing we want to be part of is lecture. We have been listening to a lot of lectures, even in a let's start with the home. Then in the school days, our favorite teachers, our teachers whom we want to ignore, but the gyan wala part is always there. But real application never comes. And I think real application is all about knowing your source of happiness, rather than thinking that you're going to get your happiness from something after getting achieved. Like you can achieve it, then you can achieve the happiness. That's a wrong notion. That's illusion. That's simply an illusion.
Yeah, totally. अभी आपने भैया जिससे बात करी about happiness. So one thing that actually arises maybe in a lot of people's mind, especially mine, कि we actually attach happiness to few things. जैसे आपने बात करी maybe to materialistic things कि जिस दिन मुझे ये कार मिल जाएगी I'll be the happiest person in the world. ये accomplish हो जाएगा, ये degree, going to this university, ये पर्सन मेरी लाइफ में अब नहीं है, अगर होता तो आई वुड हैव बीन द हैप्पीएस्ट पर्सन. या फिर ऑपोजिट कि ये पर्सन मेरी लाइफ में है, ये चला जाए आई विल बी द हैप्पीएस्ट पर्सन. सो हम एक्सटर्नलाइज करते हैं बेसिकली हैप्पीनेस. सो व्हाट इज योर व्यू कि हम एक्सटर्नलाइज करते हैं तो हम उस हैप्पीनेस को चेस कर रहे हैं या कहीं ना कहीं इंटरनल है? आपके उस पे क्या व्यूज हैं?
See, I would say, as a youth, I'm so happy that we all are talking about this topic, because we have never been taught about the science of happiness, my dear friends. You know, everything has a reason for this, but no one has ever taught us. No one has ever taken our attention to that. Come on, let's take an example. And right now, I am going to tell you about happiness. So, what is the best thing that you all love in your life? Maybe pizza, maybe chole bhature, maybe chole kulche, maybe your smartphone, or maybe playing games. Okay, so just remember, you are having that desire to get the favorite thing of yours. Okay, for example, let's say pizza. Now I want to have pizza. So the moment you scroll through your cheese burst pizza, you see some sensations, the feeling, oh my god, I'm going to have my pizza in 30 minutes. Okay, now let's fast forward. You are having your pizza and you're eating your pizza. Now after you eat your pizza, you're enjoying it. The moment your pizza gets over, what's the next thing? Oh भाई, लग रहा है ज्यादा खा लिया क्या? और मे बी पिज्जा तो खा लिया, अब क्या चोकोलावा केक भी ऑर्डर करते हैं. Today is Sunday, so today's our cheat day. There is something happening at the same time. Can we catch it? The moment your desire of pizza came, there was some emotional trigger inside you that excited you, that made you, oh my god. The moment your pizza got over, the same trigger got lowered and vanished. Once again, the same emotion will get triggered, but maybe not for the pizza, maybe for the chocolate cake, or maybe for a mobile phone. You see, our emotional trigger is always the same, but the situation, person, they all are different. Why to focus on all the things which change rather than focus on the source? If I tell you, if by any means you can learn how to find the source of trigger, that happiness, that excitement, and you can stay with it, my God, you are so full of energy every single day, every single time. Maybe you have something, or maybe you do not have something, because now you know your source. It's the most smart move that we can take for ourselves, isn't it? So that's something which I am practicing. That's something which youths like me, like you, and many others are practicing.
Exactly. So Bhaiya, you mentioned about practice. Actually, we have a small request from the audience कि हम अगर हिंदी में conversation कर सकते, people will.
जी बिल्कुल.
So आप अभी practice की बात कर रहे थे, तो what do you exactly practice, और क्या जो आपकी कोई life में कोई आप changes लाए, practices लाए, वो पहले की lifestyle, पहले की आपकी जो सोच, circumstances थे, and how they have changed अभी के present situation. So if you could just tell कि वो practice आपकी life में क्या है?
Okay. So basically, अगर practice को देखा जाए तो हम लोग अपने life में बहुत कुछ practice करते हैं. Problem ये है कि practice से result नहीं आता, तभी हम लोग कहते हैं अरे यार सब गलत कर दिया. Let's start with motivational quotes. हम में से बहुत लोग good quotes. हमारे दिन की शुरुआत एक अच्छे quote से होगी, एक अच्छी बातों से. फिर उसके बाद क्या? जैसे ही पता चला कि एग्जाम का मार्क्स आने वाला है और पेपर तो खराब हुआ था, all motivational quotes, all good quotes gone, और oh my god, इस पर क्या होगा? हम सबके पास एक नॉलेज, एक विजडम तो है, लेकिन जब लाइफ में चैलेंजेस आते हैं तो अप्लाई नहीं होता बॉस. तब तो बस मैं तो गया, अब तो कोई नहीं बचाने वाला, अब उसको याद करेंगे जो दिखता नहीं है, क्योंकि जो दिखता है अगर उसको याद करेंगे तो वो तो डंडा लेके खड़ा है, बोला था ना पढ़ने को, बोला था ना मेहनत करने को. You see, the kind of practice we are doing, it is not bringing some results. What if I say what I have been practicing is, you can call it as spirituality. Now what is spirituality is not something hard to understand. Spirituality कोई बहुत ही बड़ी चीज नहीं है समझने की. Spirituality का मतलब क्या है? आप अपने लाइफ में सिचुएशंस चैलेंजिंग हो, सिचुएशंस अच्छी हो, क्या आप अपने माइंड का बैलेंस बना के रख सकते हो? क्या आप अपने लाइफ को इमोशंस के साथ साथ कमिटमेंट के साथ भी लेके चल सकते हो? ये परफेक्ट बैलेंस बनाने आता है क्या? मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम अगर हमें अच्छा फील नहीं हो रहा तो हम काम छोड़ देते. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम क्या होता है, हम अगर कमिटमेंट में इतना लग जाते हैं कि हम इमोशंस भूल जाते हैं. आपको याद है कभी कभी जब आप पढ़ाई में स्ट्रेस्ड आउट थे, आप इतना पढ़ाई करने लगे कि मम्मी पापा ने बोला बेटा खाना खाओगे, अभी खाना नहीं खाना है. मैंने सही बात बोला कि मुझे थम्स अप चाहिए, इसी वक्त थम्स अप चाहिए. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आप मम्मी से प्यार नहीं करते, मम्मा से पापा से प्यार नहीं करते. हम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं कुछ ना कुछ, बट रिजल्ट्स नहीं आ रहे. नो, व्हाट इज स्पिरिचुअलिटी इज दिस: definition of life changes from intellectual perspective to experiential knowledge. जीवन का जो एक आधार है, हमने जिसको बुद्धि से जीना सीखा है, वो बदल जाता है अनुभव से जीना. अनुभव क्या है? तुम खुश महसूस कर सकते हो भले सिचुएशन तुम्हारे हिसाब से ना हो. तुम अपने मन को शांत रख सकते हो अगर तुम डिस्टर्ब्ड फील कर रहे हो. You see, चैलेंजेस सबके लाइफ में, मेरे भी लाइफ में चैलेंज. मैं यहाँ पे आके आपको बड़ी बड़ी बातें बोल रहा हूँ तो इसका मतलब क्या मेरे लाइफ में चैलेंजेस नहीं? जी हाँ हैं. लेकिन उस चैलेंजेस ने क्या मेरी मुस्कान की चमकान को हटाने की कोशिश की? अब वो शक्ति नहीं उसके पास. हेड ऑन, हेड ऑन कोलिजन होगा सीधे उस चैलेंजेस के साथ. ये कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे आ सकता है? यहाँ पे ये स्पिरिचुअलिटी काम आती है, और ये मैं प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ अपने डेली लाइफ में.
एग्जैक्टली आप पर्टिकुलरली आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग से एसोसिएटेड हैं. बहुत सारे और भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस और टेक्निक्स हैं. सो बेसिकली व्हाट इज द फंडा, इफ वी से व्हाट इज द मंत्रा कि एग्जैक्टली स्पिरिचुअलिटी हैप्पीनेस मंत्रा, व्हाट इज इट एग्जैक्टली अकॉर्डिंग टू यू?
So, according to my practice of past 5 years, मैंने ये समझा है spirituality, और I would say, see, since already Ananda ने बोला, जैसे कि मैंने art of living से I learned this technique called as sky meditation, सुदर्शन क्रिया meditation. So, मैंने जो अपने अंदर ये जो मंत्रा बोलो या टेक्नोलॉजी पाया, एक बेसिक साइंस है. चलो मैं आप सबसे पूछता हूँ, अभी आप सब लोग मुझसे एग्री करो. मुझे आप एक्टिंग करके बता, एक्टिंग करना. जब आप खुश होते हो और जब आप शांत रहते हो, आपकी ब्रीदिंग पैटर्न कैसे होती है बताइए. आपको कुछ बोलने की, आप एक्टिंग करो. मैं स्क्रीन पे स्क्रॉल कर रहा हूँ, मैं स्क्रॉल कर रहा हूँ आप लोगों को. अच्छा, स्क्रॉल करते करते मुझे पता चला कि 4 लोगों ने अपना कैमरा ऑन किया हुआ है.
Yeah, I would really encourage and request every one of you. बहुत अच्छा रहेगा if you just switch on the video. Thanks to Akshay, Sheetal, Harpreet, Anurag, Dimple. Thanks a lot for switching on the video, and it would be great. Thank you, Mr. Yuvraj and few others who have started this switching on the video. Thanks a lot. It's great to see you all. And please don't be conscious about the background or anything about it. We just want to make it lively, interactive. So please feel free to switch on your videos. Thank you.
So my dear youths, बताओ. अब आप बोलोगे प्रतीक, पता नहीं मैं कब खुश था. ओए खुश हो अभी? देखो ब्रेथ ब्रीदिंग कैसे चल रही है. तुम स्ट्रेस बैठे हो क्या इस सेशन में? नहीं, देखो तुम शांत बैठे हो. देखो कैसे कैसे ब्रीदिंग चल रही है तुम्हारी. ऑब्जर्व योर ब्रेथ. इट्स सो नॉर्मल. पता ही नहीं चल रहा कि सांस ले रहे हो. सही बोला कि नहीं? अपना हाथ उठाओ. क्या? अच्छा, जब तुम्हें थोड़ा सा डर लगता है, ब्रीदिंग कैसे होती है? याद करो, रिजल्ट आने वाले हैं, रिजल्ट खराब है. इट इज सच अ हेवी ब्रेथ. ब्रीदिंग पैटर्न इतनी हेवी हो जाती है. सही बात है कि नहीं? ना? अच्छा, जब गुस्सा आता है तो आप ब्रीथ कैसे करते हो? यू सी, आप जब गुस्सा करते हो आपकी एक्सप्रेशन पहले चेंज होती है और आपकी ब्रीदिंग तेज हो जाती है. मैं बोलना ये चाह रहा हूं, जैसे ही आपके इमोशंस बदलते हैं, आपकी ब्रीदिंग पैटर्न बदल जाती है, सच अ साइंस। और अगर बाय एनी मीन्स आप अगर अपनी ब्रीदिंग पैटर्न को बदलना सीख गए, तो आप अपनी इमोशनल स्टेट को इतने काम, इतना शांत ला सकते हो, प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो एवरी सिंगल डे। Now that's what this sky meditation, what Art of Living generally teaches, what I teach to all the youths or maybe to every single personality is this. I just teach them how to breathe. You know, on a daily basis, we take in and out how much liter of air? 10,000 liters of air is going in and out. Can you imagine? Oh my God, 10,000 लीटर सांस अंदर बाहर जा रही है. Approximately I would say 20,000 times you are taking breath in and breath out. And if you are not able to manage your emotion, तुम गलत सांस ले रहे हो बाबा. तुम्हें सही सांस लेने नहीं आता है, क्योंकि अगर तुम्हारे इमोशन, तुम्हारा माइंड तुम्हारे साथ नहीं चल रहा है, तुम गलत सांस ले रहे हो. कैन यू इमेजिन 20,000 मिस्टेक एक दिन में. ओहो, कभी इस फेलियर पे तो ध्यान दो. नाउ दैट्स अ शिफ्ट, बिकॉज यू नो इवन दिस इज ऑल्सो एन एजुकेशन. ये भी एक स्किल है जिसको सीखना पड़ता है. नाउ दैट्स व्हाट दिस प्रैक्टिस मी, लाइक personally I have seen lot of changes, and many others who are practicing this Sudarshan Kriya technique. And yeah, I would also say different organization, there are different techniques. It's just किसी को भी पकड़ लो, just learn it, because that's the science of your mind, your emotion, and the science of your breath. Okay, got it? Yeah.
Wow, thanks भैया. I think बहुत energetic हो गया webinar already. So भैया, now I think जब हम youth की बात करते हैं, कहीं ना कोई questions आते हैं कि lifestyle कैसा होना चाहिए, because ये inevitable हो गया है. हम avoid नहीं कर सकते कि हम screens के आगे हैं, या हमारा बहुत sedentary lifestyle, बहुत घंटे हमें बैठना पड़ता है work from home और जिस भी profession में है, so we have a lot of screen time. So any tips from your side, maybe something जो आप practice करते हो जो आपको stress फ्री रखता है डिस्पाइट ऑल ऑफ दिस? क्योंकि हम अगर किसी ट्रिप पे हैं, वी आर विद आवर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, तो वो एक सिचुएशन हो जाती है व्हेन वी आर हैप्पी, बट हाउ टू बी हैप्पी इन आवर डेली रूटीन, दैट्स द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज. क्योंकि पैंडेमिक में सेम पीपल, सेम होम, सेम थिंग्स टू डू, एवरी हर रोज सेम रूटीन. सो उस रूटीन में हाउ टू बी हैप्पी?
A very good question, Ananya. Thank you so much for asking this question. हमारे लाइफ में खुशी एक एक्सीडेंट है. हमारे लाइफ में खुशी एक कंडीशन है. अच्छे दोस्त, अच्छा जगह, अच्छा खाना, अच्छा मोबाइल. जा रे जा, इतना इतना एक्सीडेंटल लाइफ? ना ना, that's a wrong definition again. Society, even our elders, our parents, they have not got this knowledge. It's all right. This is something which has not come in our education system. हमारे education system में अब जाके धीरे धीरे चेंजेस आ रहा है. आई थिंक आप लोगों के एजुकेशन में कहीं ना कहीं माइंड रिलेटेड, मेंटल हेल्थ रिलेटेड कुछ कुछ टॉपिक सब शुरू हो रहे हैं. सो देयर आर सम टाइम, ये धीरे धीरे आएगा. बट यू नो, कंडीशन पे खुश होना ये तो गलत चीज है. आई वुड से आप खुश हो सकते हो, कंडीशन चाहे बुरी हो या अच्छी हो. अच्छे के समय तो सब खुश होते हैं बॉस. जब बुरे के समय में आप अपने शांत स्टेट ऑफ माइंड को, अपने हार्ट को बचा के रख सकते हो, यही तो स्किल है. और यही तो एक सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट है जो हम यूथ्स को जरूरत है. कम ऑन, मैं अपना ही एग्जांपल समझ सकता हूं. मैंने अपने आपको अपने करियर को एक चैलेंज लिया है. As an artist, I have to take a challenge to build my career. Being in a middle class family, I got a good job, a good percentage in my college, but trying like, चलो मुझे ये नहीं करना है, मुझे अपना करियर बनाना है. Such important and such it seems like an impossible task. Now when you have challenge, you cannot ignore your state of mind. I would say यहाँ पे जो मैं बातें बोल रहा हूँ, it is more to be lived rather than explained, because how to live, again, it's all about practicing being happy. You have to train your mind how to be happy. Right now, it's something which is happening automatically and accidentally. For me and many others, it is conscious decision every single day. Yeah.
Wow. So how is it a conscious decision? So maybe we have every time we have choices ki whether this or whether that. One thing I'll share here, मैंने जैसे I don't know if you know Pratik bhai that I've tried Vipassana meditation or during lockdown I tried बहुत सारे challenges or Sudarshan Kriya Art of Living का, but it's not about the technique कि हम कौन सी organization से associated, it's about कि हम उससे क्या lessons draw करते हैं. So one or two lessons जो मैं share करना चाहूंगी was one is acceptance. Like this word हम सब जानते हैं, we have heard of it, but जो मेरी life में इसने impact किया was really different. In the sense कि दो extremes में usually हम we live in two extremes. One is कि crave करना, जैसे already you touched upon this thing कि कैसे अगर हमें ये मिल जाए हम crave करते हैं, ये situation हो, ये लोग हो, और दूसरा है one is craving and then is aversion कि ऐसा ना हो, बस this situation से हमें escape करना है. But in middle जैसे आपने बताया balance की बात, तो exactly with that I understood कि कैसे acceptance कितनी जरूरी है. कि I think this is the situation. जब lockdown हुआ, I think हम सब उसी state में थे, worry, fear, आगे क्या होगा, apprehensions, किसी को clarity नहीं थी आगे क्या होगा. But I don't think I was able to accept it 100%. I'm not perfect, of course, but somewhere that helped me. कि मैंने accept किया कि शायद this is not only with me, this is with everybody. तो इसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं है. Another thing I learned was about change. कि everything is going to change. Nothing is permanent. One thing is permanent is change. कि वो हर चीज इवॉल्व होती रहती है. When we see the clouds, तो हर moment clouds बदल रहे हैं. Nothing is constant in the nature. Monsoon से summers, winter seasons, everything in life in nature is changing. तो वो it had a great impact on my life. So भैया, would you like to share कुछ बहुत impactful lessons और चीजें जो आपने अपनी मे बी लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस से सीखी हो या कोई टेक्निक से सीखी हो, something impactful that touched you, and of course that will help the audience also to learn.
First, I will say you have just took one of the most important 2 points. Exactly. Acceptance. Now, acceptance is one of the thing which we say, जी मैंने स्वीकार कर लिया. और if I ask how is your emotion, हाँ जी मैंने स्वीकार कर लिया, या फिर मैंने स्वीकार कर लिया. Accepting some situation in terms of being sad or being irritated is not acceptance. Again, now this word is something, experience is something. You know, just for example, if a small baby, a cute baby, I give example of cute baby. So whenever you imagine cute babies, you know, so ये cute baby है, कुछ बदमाशी कर रहा है, तो आप क्या करते हो? वो बदमाशी करके आपके चीजों को बर्बाद कर दिया उसने. आप क्या करते हो? बदमाश जाके बैठो या फिर उसको बंद कर देते हो. क्या आप उसमें उसको एक्सेप्ट जैसा कुछ बोलते हो क्या? क्या आप उसकी वजह से आप दुखी होते हो क्या? आपको वो बदमाशी भी, वो गलत काम भी आपको पिंच नहीं करता. सही बात है कि? नाउ प्रॉब्लम इज, ये जो स्टेट ऑफ माइंड बच्चों के साथ है, जब हम अपने एज वाले, अपने से बड़े एज वाले लाइफ में लोगों को देखते हैं, ये स्टेट ऑफ माइंड हम तब नहीं बना के रख पाते. Because then we think, we see situations are very serious. What if I'm putting what if as a clause because मुझे नहीं पता तुम कब इसको देखोगे, कब इसको पाओगे, बट मैंने देखना शुरू कर दिया. What if आप अपने एज ग्रुप और अपने लाइफ में ऐसे डील करना शुरू कर, जहां पे चीजों को आप उतना भी सीरियसली ना लो कि आपको पिंच करे. और जब आपको ज्यादा पिंच नहीं करेगा, which means you have accepted this, and when you have accepted it, you can turn the table. That's the main thing. You can turn the table. Now, acceptance is something which I have learned. Change is inevitable. Superb, Ananya, amazing. I would say observation. Exactly. कितना कुछ प्लान किया था 2020 में, दोस्तों के साथ घूमेंगे, यहाँ जाएंगे, वहां जाएंगे, क्या क्या किया था, कोरोना ने सब चेंज कर दिया। और अपने अपने लाइफ की डेफिनेशन को और शॉर्ट करते हैं। हम लोग अपने करियर के लिए या फिर अपने अपने हिसाब से भी कुछ कुछ प्लान करते हैं, वो होता नहीं, बदल जाता है ना। चेंज इज इनएविटेबल, बट आर यू सफरिंग थ्रू दैट चेंज, और आर यू प्लेइंग? क्रिकेट का मैच देखो, एवरी सिंगल सेकेंड इज सो क्रूशियल। अभी हमें पता है आज अर्जेंटीना और ब्राजील के बीच में यूरो कप हुआ है, और आई मीन यू नो, जो भी फुटबॉलर फैंस हो मेरी बात तो समझ ही गए होंगे किस तरीके से आई मीन अर्जेंटीना जीती है। कैन यू इमेजिन वो स्ट्रेस लेवल और वो फोकस लेवल किस तरीके था? गेम कभी भी चेंज हो सकता है, आप किस तरफ रहोगे? लेकिन क्या आप अपने आप को, अपने स्टेट ऑफ माइंड को बना के रख पाए? दैट इज अ स्किल। लाइफ, intellectually we know everything, boss. We know life is a game. We know life is all about challenge. We know we are youths, we can take many challenges. Okay, then why are you not so excited, energetic, enthusiastic every single day? Yes or no? Now that's the question, because intellectually we know everything, but when it comes to application, we are not ready for it. That's what I'm trying to say. You have not trained your mind, or I would say you have never learned how to train your mind to be calm, to know how, what real relaxation is all about. Meditation is the first step you can take for yourself. Meditate. Spend 20 minutes for your mind. If not, do some meditation challenges. There are a lot of stuff, maybe on YouTube, maybe you can come to many other meditation challenges which happen all across the world. Do something for your mind. That's what I can say. And when you do this, you will see changes starts happening. And it doesn't take a lot of time to experience the change. The moment you do this, you feel it right away. Okay? Yeah.
Exactly. So भैया, I think you touched on very important topic. आपने meditation की बात करी. So briefly, अगर आप meditation के बारे में बता सकते हैं कि generally meditation क्या होती है, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं उससे related बहुत myths हैं कि meditation एक perfect position, perfect place, perfect कपड़ों में होनी चाहिए, monks करते हैं meditation या old people. So if अगर आप उसकी बात करें, and then we would take up the questions. A lot of questions are on stress. तो हम next
Ananya, first of all, thank you so much. You're asking so amazing questions. Thank you so much for asking these questions. And I am loving to answer these questions. Number one question which you are asking again is, what is meditation? The biggest myths about meditation is ekagrata, one pointedness, concentration. नहीं, तभी तो आंखें बंद करने में डर लगता है। आंखें बंद किए, तुम्हारे करियर में क्या होगा, तुम्हारा क्या होगा, तुम तो गए, तुमने उस दिन भी कुछ नहीं कर पाए, इस बार कुछ, दिन भर तो सो ही रहे हो, खाना खाते जा रहे हो, पेट देखो पर आंखें बंद नहीं होगी। व्हाट इज दिस? यू सी, meditation is never about zero thoughts. Meditation is not about concentration. सामने एक आग का गोला है, मैं अपने आंखों के बीच उसको देख सकता हूं, उसी पे फोकस करो। हो गया मेडिटेशन तुम्हारा। कि उसके बाद मेडिटेशन लगता है, ये तो लगता है साधु संत करते होंगे जो पहाड़ पे बैठते हैं, हमसे तो ना आ पाएगा। You see, meditation is deconcentration. Meditation is not something to be done. Meditation is an effortless phenomena. Meditation is letting your thoughts flow and just relaxing. Meditation is not to be done. It happens. Obviously, you need some expert. Maybe you're talking to one of them. So, you know, that's what the beauty of meditation is all about. Also, concentration is a byproduct of meditation, baba. चलो, विश्वास नहीं है, बताओ, दोस्तों के साथ मजाक किया, दोस्तों की टांग खींची है? हाँ, कितना इम्पॉसिबल टास्क होता है दोस्तों को परेशान करना, क्योंकि वो तुम्हें जानता है, तुम उसको ऐसे नहीं बुद्धू बना सकते। अब याद करो, उसको अगर बुद्धू बनाना है या उसके साथ कुछ तो मजेदार करना है, look at your state of mind. You're so calm, you're so relaxed, but you're so focused. You are implementing your plan every single second. वो कुछ करता है तुम्हें पता है, पीछे से पीछे से उधर से उधर से. What is this? You're playing with the situation. What do you think? Meditation helps you to make your mind calm in every single situation, and your intellect becomes sharp. Your action becomes much more productive. That's what meditation does. Rather than focusing on anything, it is like defocus. So I would say there are 3 formulas for meditation which you can apply. Like when you sit for meditation, I want nothing. Whenever we keep our eyes closed, okay, so I will gain concentration, I will gain calm, peace of mind. No, no, no. Whenever you're sitting in meditation, the first formula is I want nothing. Second thing, I am doing nothing. We try to do something, focus on the good thought. No, that's illusion. Don't focus on your thoughts. Number 3, I am nothing. The moment you close your eyes, there is one thought which associates you. My career, my relation, my desires. Now this my, oh my God, you start doing me. From my to me, and you become Bakri. Nothing happens. So these 3 formulas, I want nothing, I am doing nothing, I am nothing. And when these 3 things starts happening, just let go happens and something amazing happens. Something amazing happens.
Exactly. So maybe we are just letting go our thoughts as it is. एक्सेप्टेंस की आपने बात करी, आपने लेटिंग गो की बात करी, आपने एफर्टलेसनेस की बात करी. आई थिंक देयर सो अमेजिंग वर्ड्स, एंड व्हेन वी एक्सपीरियंस, तो कई चीजें एक्सपीरियंस से आती हैं, मे बी नॉट talking about them. So kahin na kahin I think we all will try to experience that after this session, कि कैसे हम we just sit with ourselves. Actually सबसे मुश्किल हो गया है nowadays, especially to sit with ourselves. और आपने वो बहुत अच्छे से already बात कर चुके हैं आप. So I think it's time to take questions. We have some wonderful questions. Majorly I can see stress related questions हैं. Stress क्या है, उसको overcome कैसे करना है, उसके symptoms क्या हैं. So Bhaiya, please, if you could talk about stress.
Yeah, sure. So first of all, I would say, Ananya, maybe not today, maybe some other day, we can plan a quick 20 or 30 minutes of meditation session with them, each and every one of them.
Sure.
We can plan. So
Yeah.
I will conduct one session for them. Sounds good?
Yeah, sounds great.
Yeah, so maybe not today, because I think we have just made this session in a very small span of time. Maybe sometime in future we are going to do this.
Sure.
That
If
would be
you
good idea.
have any activity, 5, 10, 15 minutes activity, हम आज कर सकते हैं. We are just in mid of the session. We still have half an hour. So अगर आप कोई activity introduce करना चाहते हैं, anything. So आपकी 2 activities हम यहाँ कर चुके हैं. Credits जाते हैं प्रतीक भैया को. One is hug yourself. I told them कि how I started hugging myself. इतना अच्छा लगता है, opening arms wide and doing that. So if I tell the audience that I learned from Prateek Bhaiya, and then we danced one day. That is absolutely Bhaiya ki technique, and thanks for that. And we enjoyed doing it. Everybody had great feedback. So credit goes to you. So any activity जो आप करवाना चाहते हैं, entire stage is yours, Bhaiya.
Yes, I would really love to. I think we can use today's session for questions and talking, so that I think let them know more about all these things. And I am promising, maybe not today, maybe some other day, the whole session is going to be about activity and meditation. What do you say, Ananya?
Perfect.
Maybe we can do like that?
Yes, perfect.
Because you know what, Ananya, I think they are getting good responses now, so they want to have more. So I just want them to take it today, so that maybe next time you're calling and you're putting up this session, they all are going to be, I want to be part of this session. Maybe that day we can really go for all these things, huh?
Sure. Bilkul.
So the first question is, what is stress? Yeah, let's look at our life. When are you stressed? The moment you want to do a lot of stuff, but you have little time and less amount of energy. Yes and no. Just remember your exam preparation. If you have a deadline of 1 hour and you have a lot of syllabus to cover, but again you have less time and your energy is also less. So how is your energy less? How you can understand when there are lots of doubts? हो पाएगा कि नहीं, पॉसिबल है कि नहीं, कर हो पाएगा कि नहीं, पता नहीं मार्क्स कैसे आएंगे. You see, you are in your thoughts, and that's when you start stressing. Now what can be the change? How to change the stress? Can you change your time? No. Time is the 1 hour. Can you change your syllabus? Not at all. Not possible. You can shift your energy. You can take your energy up. Now that's what is called as skill. That is a skill. You need to learn how to increase your energy level. And when your energy level is increased, even the challenging situations, you can simply hug them and you can move forward with them. So that's something about stress, what really stress is all about. What was the second question?
I think about how to reduce stress or symptoms of stress. कि हमें which time we feel कि this is the right time to take action against stress. So reducing.
The moment you feel while doing any task, the moment you feel, oh my God, I think I can't do it. The moment you start having doubt about the result, you're stressed. That's a symptom. You can catch your symptoms quickly. The thing is, you have not learned how to get out. That's why it sticks for a long time. Isn't it? Yes or no? Don't you all agree? We can identify our stress. The question is, Baba, how to get out of it. So that's the symptom of stress. Now, if you say, Pratik, how can we reduce our stress? So obviously, number one, I would say do meditation. Learn meditation. Or I would say the best thing you can do is learn sky meditation. Or I would say Sudarshan Kriya meditation, which Art of Living and we all teach. So generally, like maybe Ananya can just share some further information in future. That's something you can learn. Apart from that, what you can do some physical activities. If your age is less than 30 and you are not jogging every single day, it's a disaster. Go for a walk, go for a jog. Don't say कि अभी तो कोरोना है, लॉकडाउन. अच्छा, थोड़ा सा तो खुला है ना, जाओ दौड़ो, निकलो बाहर निकलो, सेशन के बाद जाके दौड़ के आओ, एक राउंड लगा के आओ, बिल्डिंग का राउंड लगा के आओ, घर में दौड़ो दौड़ो. What else you can do? Do Surya Namaskar. Type on YouTube. Let me teach you how to type. How to do Surya Namaskar. Type this. You'll get a video. Learn it. Practice Surya Namaskar. Do it for 5 minutes. And then you tell me, are you stressed? No, you will not be stressed. You will feel yourself calm and composed and you can go for your work. What else you can do to remove stress in your life? Do some creative work. We all have some creative qualities in us. Do you explore it? Start exploring. Maybe you can cook food, play music, do painting, learn to sing, be a bathroom singer. No one is listening to you. Be the one you are. I do that. I'm so besura while I sing, but I love my song when I'm in bathroom. Oh. Do something. Love yourself. Love your company. The most important thing is love yourself. Love your company. Meditation helps. Meditation is simply from outside, giving much attention to outside, taking attention to this Soda Mukhra, to this unique masterpiece. We all are the unique masterpiece of this planet Earth. क्या तुम्हारे जैसा कोई और है? नहीं है. क्या तुम्हारे जैसा कोई और होने वाला है फ्यूचर में? तुम तो एक लौते हो. अरे थोड़ा सा कॉलर उठाओ, थोड़े से मुस्कान की चमकान दिखाओ शीशे में. स्ट्रेस कहाँ आएगा जब इतनी एक्टिविटीज करो? Okay, be active physically. That's the most important thing. The thing is, our mind is so active and our body is lazy. Our body is resting and our mind is active. We need to change it. Let's make our body active and our mind in the restful state. Okay, yeah. So 3 questions, 3 answers. What else, Ananya?
I think you answered all of them, and they were great responses. We're having a lot of positive feedback already. How to stop overthinking, how to overcome negative thoughts. Stress can also be reduced by reading books. Yes, I think हर एक के लिए कुछ different technique भी है. Exactly. I think Bhaiya is a very great artist. You can see his great work on Instagram. It's Prateek Max, is it? Bhaiya, your Instagram ID?
Yeah, it's Prateek Max, my personal ID, and Let Art Flow 30. Maybe you can, the
Okay.
moment you go there, you can see my art page link and all. It's already there. Yeah.
So I think that would be way आपके लिए कि आप कैसे अपने emotions और कैसे अपने जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स है आप उससे बाहर आ सकते हैं व्हेन यू एक्चुअली गो इनटू आर्ट. मेरे लिए कहीं ना कहीं ब्लॉग्स लिखना, पोम्स कंपोज करना इज वेरी ग्रेट आइडिया व्हेन आई राइट. एंड आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल ट्राइंग जर्नलिंग, एंड आई थिंक जर्नलिंग इज अ न्यू आइडिया that's really going famous across youth. क्योंकि journaling is not like dear diary. हम actually school days में सुनते थे dear diary, we're writing every day, this happened at this time and all of that. But journaling is a new idea where you could even write your bullet points, and you could actually break it into different parts if a few people want to actually understand कि exactly journaling क्या है. कि आप उसे हर रोज different questions answer कर सकते हैं. Maybe one day you just write about your flaws, कि maybe these were your mistakes. Next day you just write about what positive things happened. Next day you could write about what you're grateful for, and then you could write about I feel that this is the best thing of the day. So I think when we write about these things हमें बहुत insights मिलते हैं, and we don't actually ponder upon those. I was in mid of a webinar a few days back, and there one person asked कि आपके pandemic में what has helped you, कि आप pandemic में you have survived, and if you're here it means you're physically, mentally well, कि आप तभी you are actually able to answer well, you're sound enough. So I was actually wondering, we were given 5-10 minutes to think कि मेरी life में ऐसा क्या क्या हुआ कि I'm happy even after a lot of things happened around me. Then I realized that even my pet has a great role to play. We have a Labrador of 1 year that we got during the pandemic. I didn't realize कि उसका कितना बड़ा role है. Maybe somebody, I was with the mask, I'm getting out, and a neighbor just smiled at me and waved. उनका कितना बड़ा role है. They actually smiled and made my day. So maybe we could be those people जो एक दूसरे का smile से day बना रहे हैं, or we could be those ones जो actually would notice कर रहे हैं smile, and we're just writing it कि we are actually grateful for that. And I think there are a lot of techniques, and people are actually trying to write even in the chat box कि उनके लिए क्या, what works. So Bhaiya, so if you want to touch upon more how to overcome negative thoughts and overthinking, if you want to talk about that as well.
I would say they all are kind of related. See, overthinking, what really happens? Repeated thoughts in a new way is overthinking. The idea is same, the story is different. You see, so I would say involve yourself the way Ananya expressed. Involve yourself in physical activities, creative activities, which means really something which you love to. So when I say creative activities, creative requires your attention, your love towards them. So use those things. Your overthinking and all the stress will start getting reduced. And I would say give your body a physical attention. Do some exercise and do some, I would say, yoga asana. Surya Namaskar is one of the best thing that has worked for me. I do it every single day. Maybe I will do 5 rounds of Surya Namaskar, but I do it. And you will find yourself all these things. But what is the best thing that can be done? Train your mind. Do meditation. Do breathing techniques. Learn all these things. So that's the best thing you can do. Yeah.
Sorry, actually there was some problem. My laptop hung. So Bhaiya, आप बहुत बार meditation की बात कर रहे हैं. So कहीं ना कहीं meditation needs discipline and it needs routine. If I think that I have to do meditation every day, we have a lot of excuses in our life. This happened and I was busy somewhere, and even I've also missed a lot of sessions making excuses. But
No, you have not made excuses. Please don't go like this. I know you have been taking a lot of initiatives. You have not missed it by giving excuses. You had some reason for this. So please don't put yourself in that category.
Okay.
Yeah. But we are going to take that example of मैं बहुत busy था. हाँ, तो आगे बताओ. हाँ.
Exactly. So भैया, if you could talk about कि कैसे discipline और routine आपको, क्योंकि हम actually we need motivation, we need a purpose कि हम why are we getting up every day in the morning, why are we doing a particular thing. हम meditation कर रहे हैं, so of course once we have a routine of meditation, हम जब उसके outcomes और byproducts देखेंगे तो it would obviously inspire us कि हम और आगे करें. But वो initial time में जो हमें motivation चाहिए होती है, routine और discipline, how to develop it, और आपने कैसे develop किया, and what is your sort of routine and philosophy about routine?
Very simple. मत करो, रो, तड़पो, आग जलने दो, करो. नहीं करना मत, और जलो. एक दिन तो उठोगे, I cannot bear this now. होता क्या है, तुम सो क्यों जाते हो? कल देख. आज फिर रोए, कल देखेंगे. आज फिर रोए, अरे यार, मुझे इससे बाहर निकल. It was never about motivation. Motivation has a very short life. Look at ourselves. Look at your life. अच्छी बातें कितना सुनेंगे हम. जिस दिन तुम्हारा कान पकेगा उसी दिन तुम उठोगे और काम करो. तो मैं चाहता हूं कि हम सबका कान पके. मैं चाहता हूं कि मेरी भी बात सुन के आपका कान पक जाए. बट अच्छी बात यह है कि मैं चाहता हूं कि मैं मोटिवेशन की जगह इंस्पिरेशन की बात कर रहा हूं कि एक्शन क्या करते. That's why I'm not in the motivation zone. Please keep me in the inspiration zone because I work, I act, I don't talk much. Okay, so I would say go for active state of your mind rather than just putting information, letting it out of your ears. Again, putting information and your body is just you're crying, you're smiling, you're laughing, every single emotion is going on, no action. Got it?
Totally.
Yeah. That's a philosophy for me. That's what I do. I practice what I preach, and I would say one thing: live by living. I need to wake up in the morning. To wake up, no. I want to do meditation. To do, no. I want to learn meditation quickly. So learn quickly हो जाएगा. हर चीज को सुनने की जरूरत नहीं, करना पड़ेगा भाई. करो, जाओ, उठो. I am planning to start doing Surya Namaskar. You have given me a lot of motivation and inspiration. अच्छा, सेशन को खत्म करने के बाद 2 राउंड करके बैठना. जिसने किया वो समझ जाएगा कि अभी आग लग गई इंस्पिरेशन की, फिर बढ़ेगा. नहीं किया तो क्या बोले, अच्छा लगा सुन के, कल करूंगा, कल सुबह उठ के करूंगा. And that's the difference between motivation and inspiration. Look at yourself. Just after the session gets over, you need to message Ananya the moment you have done 2 rounds of Surya Namaskar. And if you have not done, यानी कि अभी तक वो अंदर से ज्यादा जागा नहीं. क्या किया जाए? Hold on, और रो, और तड़पो, उठेगा. यही तरीका है. Yeah.
Exactly, I understand. और actually you started the session this way कि कैसे motivation की हमारे पास बहुत sources हैं. एक Instagram की किसी की poem, किसी का quotation, and like small videos that we have on the internet, और वो immediate एक action हमारे लिए release करते हैं कि हमें ऐसे करना, but we don't end up doing it because somewhat वो motivation बहुत temporary motivation होती है. And you're absolutely right, inspiration, we need to look for inspiration in our life and we need to pursue what you're talking about. And a new term I discovered was peaceful passion. हम किसी भी चीज के बारे में सीखते हैं, we actually try to become very passionate the same day कि we will be doing this, हम ये हर रोज 100 days practice करेंगे. But when we realize कि peaceful passion है, that ये नहीं कि आज energy है, today we are doing it and tomorrow not. So this is actually what we can understand कि peaceful passion से we can pursue meditation, we can try to be happy. I would also encourage a lot of people. We have a lot of people here. If you have any sort of query, questions, doubt, feedback, kindly feel free to put that. We have already got great positive feedback, Bhaiya. If you want to go through the chat box, it is making me smile. So thanks a lot. For that, everybody. But we would love to take your questions because actually, this session, jo hai, we were thinking to have a Sunday off. That maybe we'll have the last session tomorrow, but I got a lot of requests that we don't want Sunday off. We want something interesting on Sunday, something powerful and something about positivity. So ये public demand पर आज ये manage किया गया, organize थोड़ा जल्दी किया गया in hurry, but still we have a great response and still we have learned a lot today. So I would request everyone ki if you have any sort of question, please share with us. And if you have any experience you want to share, so please feel free to do that. And we hardly have 10 minutes, so we'll try to answer all the questions that we get in the chat box.
There is one thing, I need a minute's time to speak and share. I think someone wants to ask us.
Sure, I'll actually have not allowed anyone to unmute. I'll just do that.
Okay.
So if you want to unmute yourself, you could directly unmute and share. Please make sure that it is short and crisp. Maybe no, who's that?
Hello, good evening, everyone. This is Gagan Banerjee. So, hello, Prateek ji. Thank you for coming to this session. And मैं इसमें थोड़ा सा अपना personal experience बताना चाहती हूँ. Like मुझे पिछले 25 years से asthma है और मेरा asthma ये था कि मैं medicine हर रोज लेती थी, right? I used to take medicine every day. और but yes, मुझे कभी भी asthma ऐसे नहीं लगा कि it's big problem. Like मैं इसके बिना कुछ कर नहीं, मतलब इसकी वजह से मैं कुछ कर नहीं पाऊंगी या कर नहीं सकती हूँ. मैंने अपनी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ, पर्सनल लाइफ में जो भी मैं कर सकती थी, आई डिड, राइट. तो मैंने इसे एक जस्ट एज अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ लिया. तो मुझे एस्मा की वजह से कभी स्ट्रेस नहीं हुआ कि एस्मा है, इस वजह से मैं ये नहीं कर सकती. तो आई टुक इट एज पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. मे बी दिस थिंग कैन हेल्प यू. बट मैं जो क्रेडिट दूंगी, मेरा एस्मा की मेरी मेडिसिन छूट गई है पिछले 15 मंथ्स 16 मंथ से, तो उस चीज को मैं क्रेडिट दूंगी कि वो है योगा और मेडिटेशन. फिजिकल हेल्थ के लिए योगा और मेडिटेशन भी फिजिकल और मेंटल दोनों के लिए. अगर मैं कहूँ कि मैंने मेडिटेशन में क्या क्या करा, शुरू मैंने करा ग्रेटिट्यूड से. जबकि हम नन्हे मुन्ने होते हैं, 2 साल के होते हैं, तो हम बोलते हैं थैंक यू, किसी ने चॉकलेट दी, थैंक यू. बट देन वो थैंक यू हम इतना दिल से सबकॉन्शियस में नहीं बिठाते शायद. वो थैंक यू मैंने छोटी छोटी चीजें, एक पेन के लिए, एक पेपर के लिए, मैं टीचर हूँ, मेरे घर की छोटी जो हेल्पर्स आ रही हैं, हर चीज के लिए थैंक्स. मेरे रिलेशनशिप्स, मेरे बच्चे, मेरे हस्बैंड, उनके छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए थैंक्स. एक गिलास पानी भी मुझे किसी ने दिया, मैं ये सब सोचती चली गई. तो ये क्या हुआ, ये जैसे प्रतीक भैया ने बोला, ये जो है माइंड के लेवल पे थैंक्स नहीं था, ये एक्सपीरियंस के लेवल पे, अनुभव के लेवल पे थैंक्स था. उससे मेरा काफी स्ट्रेस कम हुआ. उसके बाद फिर मैंने स्ट्रेस कम करने के लिए मेडिटेशन, मैंने भी आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग ज्वाइन करा. उससे पहले मैंने भी विपासना भी करा, उससे मेरा और स्ट्रेस कम हुआ. उसके बाद फिर मैंने योगा, प्राणायाम डेली रूटीन में 10 मिनट से शुरू किया था. मुझे लगता था बहुत हो गया 10 मिनट. उसके बाद मैंने उसे 40 मिनट्स तक भी लेकर गई मैं. आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू प्रतीक जी, टू एवरीवन अराउंड, जिन ने भी मुझे मोटिवेट करा. मेरी कजन है, उसने मुझे गाइड करा, मोटिवेट करा प्राणायाम और ये ग्रेटिट्यूड के लिए. तो आपकी लाइफ में भी ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो आपको मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं, या इंस्पायर, बेटर वर्ड मुझे आज मिला है, नहीं मोटिवेट नहीं, इंस्पायर. राइट. सो प्लीज, आप अपने फिजिकल और मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए आप अपने आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो. और मेरी एक बुआ जी हैं, उनको कैंसर है, वो अब ग्रेटिट्यूड कर रही हैं, कैंसर के लिए नहीं, ग्रेटिट्यूड कर रही हैं कि उनका जिस बॉडी पार्ट में कैंसर है वो फिर भी उनका साथ दे रहा है, फिर भी वो ठीक से खा रही हैं, ठीक से चल पा रही हैं, घर के काम कर रही हैं. तो मैंने अपने लंग्स के लिए ग्रेटिट्यूड करा हमेशा. एटलीस्ट मैं बेड रीडर नहीं हूँ, एटलीस्ट मैं पर्सनल प्रोफेशनल सोशल लाइफ बैलेंस कर रही हूँ। तो ग्रैटिट्यूड जो वीक पार्ट है उसके लिए बहुत करो। सोने से पहले 15 मिनट और उठने के बाद 5 मिनट, 7 मिनट, 10 मिनट, व्हाट्सएवर, सबकॉन्शियस ट्रेन हो जाएगा, राइट? थैंक यू, दैट्स ऑल। थैंक यू प्रतीक भैया, थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर लिसनिंग मी पेशेंटली, थैंक यू।
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thanks a lot. So that was my mother, and Bilkul, I have actually seen her journey, and exactly she has been an inspiration for me and for a lot of people around us. And another thing that I learned from her was visualization. So I had heard of it, but she started practicing that, and I understood one thing. I'll just be very brief in it. Ki visualization is actually misunderstood a lot. कि हम visualize करें, imagine करें कि we have this thing, we have that thing, हम accomplish करें. No, it's not about that. In fact, it's about एक abstract goal or anything that's endless. हम उसके लिए visualize करें, because if I'm visualizing for say 90% and I get it tomorrow, then I think my life ahead would be purposeless. So अगर हम एक abstract never ending goal के लिए, maybe my social activism, maybe putting a smile to people's face, maybe anything that is abstract, जो one point of day पर accomplish नहीं हो सकता, जो आपको life long purposeful और आपकी life को meaningful रखे. So please attach that goal to your life, and that has worked wonders for me, for many people that I've known, a purpose, meaning in life. And if you are not able to find that purpose, if you are lacking in finding happiness in each and every day, if you have a lot of worries and things that you want to get out with, so please take help. We really promote seeking out professional help, and that's the need of the hour. So if you have that taboo, agar aapko lagta hai ki weak people do that, so please break that taboo. It's very important. If you want to share anything, seek out professional help. And I want ending notes from Pratik Bhaiya. You have made the entire session so lively and energetic, and being a live session ka naam hi nahi, the entire session was so alive. So ending note and any tips or anything you want to conclude with, Bhaiya.
So I would say, first of all, lots of congratulations to this initiative, the way it started and the way it is going on, and the kind of vision and purpose you all have put, you all have attached your heart and your soul to it. It is bringing colors, and lots of people are knowing you. They are getting benefited from this. Even I am so proud of knowing you all, and I would say a big thanks and lots of blessings and congratulations to move forward in this. And just one tip, since you have asked, I don't believe in giving tips. I just want to say, क्या सुनने का टिप हो, जी लो ना, सीख लो जो सीखने की जरूरत है. सब कुछ आपके पास बैठा हुआ. Every single thing you are looking for in your life, it's already there. Have you known what's the right water, what's the right manure to it? That's the game. पानी और खाद के बारे में जहां पता चल गया, जो बीज रखा हुआ है फल बन के बाहर आ. That's the thing I can say. Thank you so much.
Wow, thank you so much, Bhaiya. It's our honor to have you, and that too. आज थोड़ा हमने जल्दी से आपको invite किया, and everything happened very quickly. But thanks a lot. We had great participation today. We had active, lively audience today. So thanks to each one of you, especially the ones who have
Thank you so much.
video. Thanks a lot, everyone, for your time, energy, participation, and for making this session successful. It would not have been successful with me and the guest only. So as of ending notes, take care of yourself and practice self-love. Tomorrow with the same link, be with us. Tomorrow is the concluding final day. Kal Re-Evolve 2021 ka final day hai, and we would try to make it very interesting and energetic. Kal kuch special hai. We would have youth panel discussion. So youth panel discussion mein we would have 4 to 5 youngsters जो mental health field से जुड़े हुए हैं, काम कर चुके हैं, survivor of mental health issues, and we would actually discuss very original and real youth problems. So bring yourself into the session with a lot of ideas and questions. We welcome you to the session. So see you all tomorrow at 5 p.m. again. And thanks a lot for today. Thank you, Prateek Bhaiya. Thanks each one. Great session. Thank you. See you all tomorrow. Thank you. Great day.